Hi guys, I am Dr. Vinod Pankaj Misra and you are welcome in my YouTube channel Pankaj Institute of English. So dear friends, I am here 400 MCQs of Augustan Age. I have completed from question number 1 to 134 in part 1 to 5. This is the sixth part of this video. Dear friends, these questions are very useful. यदि आपको भी इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन यूजफुल लगे तो इस वीडियो को ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकॉन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो जब भी अपलोड हों तो उनका नोटिफिकेशन आप तक पहुंच सके। शुरू करते हैं हमारे आज के क्वेश्चन नंबर 135। लंडन इज ए पोएम कंपोज्ड बाय डैश इन 1738। लंदन जो पोएम है किसने कंपोज की है जो कि 1738 में आई है। ऑप्शन ए गोल्ड स्मिथ, ऑप्शन बी जॉनसन, ऑप्शन सी बुर्के एंड ऑप्शन डी ग्रे। सो ऑप्शन बी जॉनसन इज द करेक्ट आंसर। Question number 136. Who prepared Shakespeare's comedy to his tragedies? Who prepared Shakespeare's comedies to his tragedies? Option A Dryden, option B Pope, option C Addison and option D Dr. Johnson. So option D Dr. Johnson prepared Shakespeare's comedies to his tragedies. Question number 137. Question number 137 है Who is Johnson's Rasselas, the hero of Rasselas? Who is Johnson's Rasselas, the hero of Rasselas? Option A legendary hero, option B an Arthurian knight, option C son of the Emperor Abyssinia and option D Scottish chieftain. The correct answer is son of Emperor of Abyssinia. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 138. I suffered from impaired eyesight, depression and poverty and left Oxford without a degree after a period of a teacher and my marriage to Mrs. Poulter, a widow twice of my age. I left for London to begin writing for the Gentleman's Magazine. Who wrote this? किसने लिखा है अपने इम्पेयर्ड आईसाइट के बारे में, डिप्रेशन और गरीबी, पॉवर्टी गरीबी के बारे में, ऑक्सफोर्ड छोड़ दिया, ये सब किसके साथ हुआ? ऑप्शन ए ओलिवर गोल्डस्मिथ, ऑप्शन बी रिचर्ड स्टीले, ऑप्शन सी डॉक्टर सैमुअल जॉनसन एंड ऑप्शन डी जोसेफ एडिसन. So the correct answer is Dr. Samuel Johnson. Option C is the correct answer. Now question number 139. Dr. Johnson's dictionary came out in the year. Dr. Johnson's dictionary came out in the year. Option A 1756, option B 1759, option C 1766 and option D none of these. The correct answer is none of these. Question number 140. Which of the following was written by Samuel Johnson to pay for his mother's funeral? अपनी मदर के फ्यूनरल में उन्होंने कौन सा वर्क लिखा है और उनको पे किया अपनी मदर को? ऑप्शन ए रैम्बलर, ऑप्शन बी रसेलास, ऑप्शन सी डिक्शनरी एंड ऑप्शन डी लाइव्स ऑफ पोएट्स. Lives of poets. So which one is the correct answer? Option B Rasela is the correct answer. Now question 141. Johnson developed a connection with a magazine to which he contributed parliamentary reports regularly. Whose magazine was that? Again question. Johnson developed a connection with a magazine to which he contributed parliamentary reports regularly. Whose magazine was that? Option A Cape's magazine, option B Chilford magazine, option B C Sainsbury magazine and option D Bold Woods magazine. So option A Cape's magazine is the correct answer. Now question number 142. For patronage of dictionary, Johnson wrote a magnificent letter to. For patronage of the dictionary, Johnson wrote a magnificent letter to option A. Lord Gilbert, option B. Lord Chesterfield, option C. Lord Gamsford, and option D. Lord Salisbury. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Lord Chesterfield is the correct answer. Now question number 143. How long did Johnson take to complete? How long did Johnson take to complete the compilation of dictionary? Option A 5 years, option B 7 years, option C 8 years, and option D 9 years. So option D 9 years is the correct answer. Question number 144. When did Johnson write the lives of poets? When did Johnson write the lives of poet? Lives of poet Johnson ने कब लिखी? ऑप्शन ए 1778 to 81, ऑप्शन बी 1778 to 80, ऑप्शन सी 1779 to 81, and option D 1779 to 80. The option is correct answer is option C 1779 to 81. Who wrote Journey to the Western Island of Scotland? Who wrote Journey to the Western Island of Scotland? Option A Johnson, option B Boswell, option C Goldsmith, and option D Smollett. So which one is correct answer? Option A Johnson is the correct answer. Now question number 146. Name the author who was greatly influenced by Rabelais, Cervantes and Locke. Option A Oliver Goldsmith, option B Lawrence Sterne, option C Tobias Smollett, and option D Johnson. So which one is the correct answer? Option B Lawrence Sterne is the correct answer. Now question number 147. Who wrote the famous novel Tristram Shandy? ट्रिस्टम सैंडी किसके द्वारा लिखा गया फेमस नॉवेल है जिसमें कि अंकल टॉबी एक फनीएस्ट कैरेक्टर हैं. Who wrote the famous novel Tristram Shandy? This is the question. Option A Lawrence Sterne, option B Fielding, option C Smollett, and option D George Eliot. So option A Lawrence Sterne is the correct answer. Now question number 148. ट्रिस्टम सैंडी अपीयर्ड इन. ट्रिस्टम सैंडी जो है कितने वॉल्यूम में है? ऑप्शन ए 6 वॉल्यूम, ऑप्शन बी 7 वॉल्यूम, ऑप्शन सी 8 वॉल्यूम, एंड ऑप्शन डी 9 वॉल्यूम. सो 9 वॉल्यूम इज द करेक्ट आंसर. 148 का डी ऑप्शन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. नाउ क्वेश्चन नंबर 149. क्वेश्चन नंबर 149 है कॉर्पोरल ट्रिम एंड अंकल टॉबी आर द इम्पॉर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स इन. कॉर्पोरल ट्रिम और अंकल टॉबी जो इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर हैं वो किस में हैं? ऑप्शन ए द एक्सपेडिशन एंड हम्फ्री क्लिंकर, ऑप्शन बी एडवेंचरस ऑफ पेरिग्रिम पिकल, ऑप्शन सी ट्रिस्टम सैंडी, एंड ऑप्शन डी एडवेंचरस ऑफ रॉड्रिक रैंडम. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer of this question is option C Tristram Shandy. Question number 150. What is the exact title of Tristram Shandy? ट्रिस्टम सैंडी का जो एग्जैक्ट टाइटल है बिल्कुल वो कौन सा है? ऑप्शन ए द लाइफ एंड ओपिनियन ऑफ ट्रिस्टम सैंडी, ऑप्शन बी द लाइफ एंड ओपिनियन ऑफ ट्रिस्टम सैंडी जेंटलमैन, ऑप्शन सी ट्रिस्टम सैंडी जेंटलमैन, एंड ऑप्शन डी द लाइफ ऑफ ट्रिस्टम सैंडी. सो ऑप्शन बी द लाइफ एंड ओपिनियन ऑफ ट्रिस्टम सैंडी जेंटलमैन इज द करेक्ट आंसर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 151. Given below are some peculiarities of Tristram Shandy, out of which 3 are correct and 1 wrong. Identify the wrong one. Option A Tristram the hero was born after the book was halfway through and he is not heard thereafter. Option B the real hero is Uncle Toby. Option C the opinion expressed are fathers. Option D his name means no most auspicious. So option D is the wrong. His name means most auspicious. Question number 152. Who wrote A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy? Who wrote A Sentimental Journey Through France and Italy? Option A. Clara Reeve. Option B. Tobias Smollett. Option C. Lawrence Stern. And option D. William Godwin. So which one is the correct answer? The correct answer is option C. Lawrence Stern. Question number 153. Stern's A Sentimental Journey is autobiographical. In order to illustrate his sentiments, he refers to the story of Stern's A Sentimental Journey is autobiographical. In order to illustrate his sentiments, he refers to the story of option A. Anchises and Aphrodite. Option B. Aeneas and Lavinia. Option C. Iolaus and Odysseus. And option D. Aeneas and Dido. So option D. Aeneas and Dido is the correct answer. Question number 154. Name the book Lawrence Stern wherein there is a curious blend of fact and fiction, tragedy and farce, and which is quasi-autobiographical in nature. Option A. Tristram Shandy. Option B. The Life of Savage. Option C. Journal to Elijah. And option D. A Sentimental Journey. So option C. Journal to Elijah is the correct answer. Now question number 155. Who wrote Roderick Random in 1748? Who wrote Roderick Random in 1748? Option A. Tobias Smollett. Option B. Lawrence Stern. Option C. Richardson. And option D. Henry Fielding. So which one is the correct answer? Option A. Tobias is the correct answer. Tobias Smollett is the correct answer. Question number 156. This is a picaresque novel modeled on Gil Blas, a picaresque romance by the French writer Lee Sage. Name the novel. Option A. Sentimental Journey by the Lawrence Stern. Option B. Sir Charles Grandison by Richardson. Option C. Roderick Random by Smollett. And option D. Jonathan Wild by Henry Fielding. So which one is the correct answer? Option C. Roderick Random by Smollett is the correct answer. Now question number 157. Roderick, the hero of Roderick Random, after a series of adventures and misadventures, marries with option A. Tabitha, option B. Nerissa, option C. Pamela, and option D. Emily. So option B is the correct answer. डियर फ्रेंड, दिस इज़ द सेकंड लास्ट क्वेश्चन ऑफ दिस वीडियो। यदि आपको इस प्रकार के क्वेश्चन पसंद आए हों तो इन्हें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए, और यदि आप चैनल के लिए नए हैं तो प्लीज़ इसे सब्सक्राइब करिए, बेल आइकन को प्रेस करिए ताकि इस प्रकार के वीडियो अब तक पहुँच सकें। नेम द लॉन्गेस्ट नॉवेल दैट स्मॉलेट रोट। Name the longest novel that Smollett wrote. Option A. Ferdinand Count Fathom. Option B. Sir Lancelot Graves. Option C. Humphrey Clinker. And option D. Peregrine Pickle. So which one is the correct answer? Option D. Peregrine Pickle. Option D. Peregrine Pickle is the correct answer. Dear friends, this is the last question. Which novel of Smollett describes the adventures of a Welsh family through Scotland and England? Option A. Sir Lancelot Graves. Option B. Humphrey Clinker. Option C. Peregrine Pickle. And option D. Roderick Random. So which one is the correct answer? Option B. Humphrey Clinker is the correct answer.